The channel was officially a year old, so it's time to celebrate with my favourite cocktail, which happens to be the Mai Tai. Firstly, I want to thank all my subscribers. You're absolute legends and you'll deserve a Mai Tai as well. And if you're lurking here in the background like a stalker, not subscribed yet, make sure you do so. The ingredient lineup, I'm bringing at the main event here, Appleton Estate 12-year rum, Clement Rhum Agricole, VSOP, dry Curacao, Orgeat Syrup, simple syrup and fresh lime juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1 ounce to 30ml of our Appleton Estate 12-year rum. You can experiment with different rum blends. I'm not a dictator, but this is my favourite blend. I know some tiki purists will probably think I could have picked funkier rums, but that's how it is. Then add 1 ounce to 30ml of our Rhum Agricole. These are rums from the French-speaking areas of the Caribbean. They tend to be more grassy and floral in taste. Follow this up with ½ ounce to 15ml of dry Curacao. You can use a triple sec as well, it just depends on what your budget is. Then add ½ ounce to 15ml of our Orgeat Syrup. Add ¼ ounce, that's 7.5ml of the simple syrup. Lastly, add ¾ ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lime juice. Make sure you keep the spent lime husk to one side, as we'll be using this for our garnish later. Add ice. This is frozen together and looks like something out of the thing. And we want to add this to our shaker. We need to shake this for 15 seconds. The Mai Tai has a contested history, which I'll explore in this channel in the future, but in my honest opinion, it was created by Vic Bergeron at Trader Vic's in Oakland, California in 1944. It's sadly been bastardised in the realms of resort drinks, cruise ships and television chefs to include different fruit juices, rum floats, you name it. So let's do the original specs some justice. Add some pebble or crushed ice into a double rocks glass. I'm so jealous of you guys in the States who have Sonic drive-ins where you can buy the pebble ice, double strain this and top it off with more ice. Then we want to garnish this with our lime husk and a mint sprig. The husk is symbolising an island and the mint sprig a palm tree. The taste test. Well, this is absolutely delicious. You get hit by the sourness and the sweetness appears. The Orgeat and the Curacao are battling away together, and then the main event, the deep complexity of the rums. This drink never lets me down. Right now, I'd love to have one of these with you all and have you around my house, put some tunes on, mix up a load of these. Also, wherever you are in the world, if you make this drink, try to honour it. Tweak it if you want, but just try and stick to the fundamentals.